Hello and welcome to our video on Ramadan. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar and is observed by Muslims around the world as a time for fasting, prayer, and reflection. During Ramadan, Muslims abstain from food, drink, and other physical needs from sunrise to sunset. This practice is known as fasting and is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Fasting has a number of benefits for both the body and the mind. One of the most important benefits is spiritual growth and increased mindfulness that comes from the act of fasting. By abstaining from food and drink, Muslims are able to focus more deeply on prayer and reflection and develop a deeper sense of gratitude for the blessings in their lives. Apart from Muslims, fasting has been practiced for thousands of years by different cultures and religions, and now it's becoming increasingly popular in the health and wellness community as it has several physical health benefits. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can lead to weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and lower blood pressure. It can also give the digestive system a much-needed break, allowing it to rest and repair. One of the most well-known benefits of fasting is weight loss. When you fast, your body burns stored fat for energy, which can lead to a decrease in body weight and body fat. It can also improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Fasting has also been shown to have benefits for cardiovascular health. Studies have found that it can lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve blood lipid levels, which can all contribute to a lower risk of heart disease. In addition to physical health benefits, fasting can also have benefits for mental health. Some studies have suggested that it can improve brain function and increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein involved in the growth and development of new neurons. Fasting may also have anti-aging benefits. Studies have found that it can increase cellular repair processes and reduce oxidative stress, which can help slow down the aging process and improve overall health and longevity. Following some simple tips, you can make fasting more beneficial for your physical health. Avoid or reduce caffeine consumption as much as you can, as it leads to dehydration of fluids from the body. Avoid foods high in sugar and sweets. Drink enough water during the pre-dawn meal to hydrate the body while fasting. Be sure to add a variety of antioxidants. Greasy and fried food, such as fried dumplings, samosas, pastries, and oily curries, should be avoided as they are loaded with fat and stored in the body as fatty tissue. Eating fatty foods after long hours of fasting causes acidity and indigestion. Avoid drinking processed beverages and carbonated drinks, which are usually high in sugar, increasing your risk of being overweight and obese, and can cause bloating and gas, leading to indigestion. Stick to regular water and coconut water to quench your thirst. An imbalance of sodium levels in your body makes you very thirsty while fasting, so try to avoid salted nuts, pickles, chips, and food that contains soya sauce. In conclusion, fasting offers a wide range of benefits, from weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity to anti-aging and improved brain function. We hope that you will follow the tips we have shared to make fasting during Ramadan healthier. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.